Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the point. GV is still jumping right now, 74% from yesterday. So this is the only unicorn that did really great since yesterday, guys. And the rest of the market, it is a bit, yeah, it is a bit weak comparing to GV. PSTV did all right, but we have a huge seller around the 70. But yeah, GV is number one and still number one for now. Lazy, good morning, man. How you doing, brother? How you doing? The market is pulling back a bit from yesterday. We got SMCI getting near the support. Yeah, we might have a reversal for today over this support. Palantir, the same, is pulling back. MSTR, Tesla, Nvidia. Yesterday, I think we got something for the market. Yeah, we got a nice pullback up. Most the top blue chip company are in green after a few days of red, the beginning of this week. But yeah, we've got a bit of recovery right now for the market. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We got GV still number one. A reverse from our support, which is the 570. And now it still have a struggle to go higher toward the 8. But yeah, this is the top stock for today. We discussed it yesterday twice, guys. We discussed it first here before the market close, because we saw this breakout around the 286. We did this chart analysis update, and after that we discussed it here on our elite hunt when we discussed the other profit taken around the 514. The jump happened in the power hour. Yes, sir. Power hour from yesterday was huge jump for this stock. And now it's doing all right again, trying to hold the support. So okay, so what we should expect from this play, guys? GV, what we should expect? Let us see if we got another unicorn jumping right now. The top stocks in the pre-market, we got SCNX, GV, of course, here. Wait a second. Why SCNX is not here? Yeah, I don't like the technical. Okay, GV 3 days ago, we have a new energy vehicle field with eyes on the global market. The last news that was here. Okay. So the business model, they have business model of merger, interrogation, and innovation. Good one. In space in Canada. So GV is the strongest stock for this week, guys. Holding from the gain yesterday. We did almost 200%, and now it is almost 100% again. Look really interesting here. Good morning, John. Alvin, good morning, brother. Yeah, GV is the only one that looked pretty good for today. For the swing trade, as we said, guys, the market is pulling back a bit. For SMCI, 5% down. We almost got the near the resistance zone, the 43.30, but we got shorted really quick. Palantir, the same, got shorted just below the resistance at the 93.80. MSTR, guys, 315, it is the resistance. Tesla and Nvidia, the same. So yeah, we have a pullback for the swing trade stocks. PSTV just came today, jumped 70%. This one could be good, guys, with GV, because those the two are they still have energy to pump up for today. So PSTV, guys, it is number 2. Number 1, GV, guys, is still jumping. This one, guys, it is hyped, to be honest, guys. This one is really hyped right now. Bears and bulls setting, yes, traps, man. Yeah, bulls and bears setting traps right now. But guys, GV is the only one that really strong for today. It's not stopping from yesterday. It's not stopping giving some gains from yesterday. As a reminder, if you just came right now, guys, GV, we already discussed it yesterday for our hunters to play this one before the breakout. Anyway, guys, so as we said, this one, it is the one from yesterday. It's still holding. Okay, we got question from our trader, Dexter. Yeah, I'm in a park right now. The weather is amazing, man. The weather is fantastic right now. I can make it more pronounced by making the voice standard. Right now you can hear exactly what's beside me. Yeah, the weather is so fantastic today in France since 1 week. The weather is beautiful. So why not trading in the park? So, if that's catalyst, why are we crashing crypto markets? Is there any crypto meeting tomorrow? Yeah, GV is the number one today, guys. Canada leading the way. So, guys, Canada leading the way for this one. Canadian stock, guys, is dominant in the stock market right now. Is the only dominant Canadian stock in the market at the moment. We have a resistance around the $7 right now that we should break for GV. PSTV is the second stock, and the other one is AGMH. Those three stocks that we should watch out for today, guys. Okay, we got double top for GV right now. Okay, ITT could be good today. I will check it. We have crypto summits. I don't think that crypto summit will change anything, man. The only thing that will change crypto behavior is Donald Trump. What's my top stocks for today? I will discuss them. Let's see. Okay, so we have to watch for this dip, guys. The 579 is really important support here, because if we held here, this would be a good reversal zone. So we've got almost just 10 minutes left at the market open. So GV, as long as we hold here, guys, is mean we're gonna have a reversal. If we broke, yes, we're gonna have a huge flush down for today. And if you're wondering, this stock, guys, it was on our main list since yesterday. Yes, yesterday before the market closed by 3 hours. It was really good because it held over the $2.20. So we have to watch out for this. Yeah, as you can see here, the $2.21 was a really good support. And the resistance around the $2.86. So this is the current resistance for, or yesterday resistance, the $2.86. Let's double check here. Yeah, we got almost 10 minutes left at the market open. Pullback levels for GV if it goes down. Yeah, I'm gonna discuss this in a bit. Palantir, Tesla, Mara. Yeah, we got a few swing trades stock to watch out for today. Sailor and all going to the White House tomorrow. Oh God. That's why we have a bit of consolidation for the market. The market yesterday was in anticipation mode, as we said. That's why we don't have any reaction for the market yesterday. Okay, let me just check here. SMCI, guys, is getting near a support at the moment, the 36. So the 36, it is the current support right now for SMCI. Today we gapped a bit here. Let me just show you guys. We went down. Wait a second. Wednesday, Thursday. Yes. Right there, we have a seller, guys, right there around the 38.59. Let me just put alert, and because we might test this level at the market open today around the 38.42 or 41. For Palantir, yeah, we might have a dip toward the 83. Yes, 83 is really important level right now for Palantir. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. We got a resistance around this level. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the price pulled back for Palantir. So that's why we pulled back for Palantir right around today. Yes, the 93.82. So we have to watch out for Palantir, guys. We might have a reversal for today if we held over the 83. So I still have a chance for Palantir to reverse. Okay, guys. So what we've got here, we've got Palantir, as we said. However, the day trade stocks is GV for today. GV for today. Yeah, interesting level for GV, guys. Around the $7. We might have a pullback, as we said, around the 579. This would be a great if we have this level tested at least. Okay, let's get right to the business. Okay, let's open the camera just in case. Let's see how many minutes left. I think we've got a few minutes left here. Welcome, welcome everybody. So let's see how many minutes left. Yeah, 6 minutes left at the market open. Perfect. Okay, let's see if we got something moving in pre-market here. Nothing, still GV. Let us double check around the pre-market. Oh, nothing much happening. So yeah, GV is number one right now, guys. Nothing much happening for the other stocks. Wild West market 2025. Guys, I think not just Wild West, but gun blazing. We are in the jungle. Yeah, the weather is really good right now, man. Weather is really beautiful here in France. We can let's see. GV is still, guys, holding over the support. So we might have a bit of pullback at the market open. And after that, we might have a nice reversal. But for now, we see a bit of weakness because we've got double top around the $7. Yeah, Lizzie. Yeah, Lizzie, this is the most important thing is flexibility in trading. Whenever there's a good weather, it's better to trade under the sun. Because come on, man, look at my skin. My skin is kind of solar panel and need to recharge. Here in Europe, like in winter, like we don't have sun, man. It's like for 2 weeks, 3 weeks without sun. This is not normal. For my DNA, it's not normal, man, for a human being. We are like flowers. We should have the sun like almost 24 hours or at least daily. Okay, we got SENX. Terry, why you ask about SCNX? I will double check. SCNX, yeah. I don't like the technical, man. It's been barcoding before here. Barcoding a lot. So I don't trust this play that much. Yeah, no good, man. No good. The one is still good is PSTV, guys. PSTV and GV. Yeah, those two looking interesting for today. Still looking interesting. especially GV. Again, guys, if you're wondering, GV, we already discussed it yesterday. Yeah, we get vitamin C, vitamin D, all the vitamins. For wait a second. Yeah, if you're wondering, guys, GV we already discussed it yesterday. It was one of the best trade yesterday. We discussed it once we saw this breakout from this flag around the support, the $2.21. And of course, we set the resistance around the 286. We hit all the profit taken on the power hour, and then we adjust the levels for our elite members because John, you asked me yesterday for GV. So that's why we did another update. We set the 514. Then we did another update on our pre-market watch list video that we always do after the pre-market open by 1 hour. We discussed the other levels around the $6.66, and we went until the $7, and now it's pulling back again. So yeah, it was a really good play for us yesterday and even today in the pre-market for GV. And now we've got 3 minutes left, guys. Hit the like button on the way, and we got almost 2 minutes left at the market open. So, a disclaimer before we start our live streaming, guys. Remember, we're not financial advisor here, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Remember that trading is risky, so always put money you're willing to risk. And remember, we always go live around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure to come tomorrow to if you want to have early access, and of course, knowing where the dip or where the price will jump for many stocks, you can join us by tomorrow because we go live every day. So for now, we only got 1 minute left, guys. So don't forget to hit the like button on the way in, and let us trade the market. Today we watching GV, the top stocks for today, guys. The top stock for today. You know the downside, one downside trading outside in the park, it is having no like not my is like the comfort because the seat is not comfortable. You can't sit here like more than 1 hour or even few minutes because the seat is not comfortable. So this is the only downside doing trading outside in a park. Maybe I'll just take my like my shares from my apartment because it's really near the park and put it in my head and just put it in the park. Would be really funny to do that. But it's too much of work, so I don't have to complain. Anyway, there's sun, there's internet connection. This is all we need. We don't need more. Yeah, I know, man. Human beings are spoiled. Every time we look for the things that we don't have, man. Every time. Every time. Even for me right now, it's like I spot myself right now. I'm not comfortable because I don't have my seat. You see, it's kind of annoying. Everybody have this kind of little baby inside, always looking for the negative thing, but always try to look for the positive. Nasty day, maybe. Mexico, America, and Canada and China. Action. Yes. So let's get right to it. The market is open right now. We got GV, PSTV still holding here. We got AGMH reversing from the support, everybody, 16. GV is still holding the 579. If we held this current support, guys, GV will continue the jump for today. Let's see. SMCI reversing. Palantir the same. Tesla. SMCI. Guys, watch out for SMCI around the 3841 because this is the current resistance right now for SMCI. If we don't break this level, it means we're gonna go down. So I will watch SMCI 3841, which is the current resistance at the moment. I'm gonna lower the resist alert for SMCI here. Yeah, the GV is pulling back. PSTV is the same. So the only one is did really great right now is AGMH. It held over the support to 17 cents. Yeah, the trend looking really good. We have deja vu, guys, for this trend. The same trend that we got for GV yesterday. If you see, guys, here, this trend was really great yesterday for GV because we broke from this flag. So now we have a deja vu, which is the same for AGMH. And I think no, it's not halted. Yeah, I thought it's halted right now for AGMH. But yeah, we got a nice breakout from this flag. And now it's going toward 21. Yeah, there's a little resistance around the 21. AGMH looking great for a reversal, still holding the current support, everybody. Yeah, good reversal here. Not bad for GV. Okay, AGMH, guys. We got a buyer here right at the market open. A buyer came over the 19 cents. This is a really good reaction for AGMH, 100%. The strongest stock for the moment. The other list that I have here, like TNXB and the rest, I don't like. TRNR did really great in the pre-market, but I don't trust it that much because every time it's pump and dump. It's like, remind me of hologram. Remind me of hologram. I don't trust hologram anymore, man. Every time some of you ask me hologram, I check it. Like I see it 50%, then I check it another time, I see it like 10%. Always lose the momentum. And I think the one of the reason we got this kind of reaction because there's a lot of bag holders and stock is heavily diluted. AGMH, it is the top stock for now. Yeah, the top stock for today. Yeah, it's getting near resistant AGMH. Palantir pulling back, SMCI the same, is pulling back toward the support. Tesla. So we have a little red day for today. As we discussed, guys, if we have a huge pullback, I'm watching for the dip that we discussed early on our Discord. Remember, guys, for Nvidia and Tesla, and of course Palantir, we already discussed the strategy for where we should buy, because right now the market is a bit red or a bit weak. GV, guys, is really good right now. Reverse from the support. AGMH, there's a chance for buying the dip here. Yeah, those the top unicorn for today. Let me just check, guys, very quick if we got a stock got halted for today. Yeah, we got few WLYB. Yeah, those stock got halted right at the market open, and they're still halted. No, it's dead. Yeah, So AGMH, guys, it could be good for today if we held over the 19 cent. So if we held here, would be great for today for a jump up. I'm gonna lower the resistance for AGMH just right there around the 22. Dot dip before the rib, exactly. RGTI. Vitamin D is squeezing. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's been a while. Last time I got a boost of vitamin D. The last week it was sunny here in Europe. The weather is really good everywhere. So I'm seizing the moment. I'm loading up on vitamin D before the sun will disappear again. Because every time here in Europe, every time, man, it disappear. So we have to be really quick to recharge. Jimmy, you ask about RGTI. I will check it for you. Discuss RGTI. Double check. It's good. Okay, it's still down 7%. Um, okay, to be clear and frank with you, man, as long as we are below the 990, I don't like it that much. Yeah, it is not good. It might be good to buy the dip around the 550 after this bad earnings that we got back and the 430, but for now we are in between, so I don't like it. Yeah, we are far from the 990 and far from the 550. To be exact, how much we missing here around the resistance? 30% and the dip 30%. So we are in midway. So you have to be patient a bit, either for a drop or for jump toward the resistance. Okay, for GV guys, we got the consolidation zone between the 7 and the 5. So we've got the fight here between the buyers and sellers. So we kind of need a bit of time to wait for another buyer, but still looking strong. AGMH, the same. It's consolidating between the 22 and the 19. Swing trade stops. SMCI guys testing the support. Gosh, we got the test. Yeah, test. Yeah, now it could be good for a reversal. This is the resistance now, around 38.43, and current profits change toward right there. Let me just check here. Yeah, we got a few levels to watch out for the profit. Yeah, so SMCI guys is pulling back hard right now. It's kind of about to break the support. Yeah, around 35.80. So now guys, we should have a reversal if we want to have a green day for SMCI, or at least not having a flush for today. Yeah, this is really critical zone 35.81. Yeah, it's really critical. Palantir, yeah, it's getting near as well toward this bottom. Yeah, today could be good for a bottom reversal for many stocks. Okay, let's double check the stock that got halted for today. Nothing. Yeah, so today for the halting, we don't have a lot. Still 100%. Palantir, not bad. 7% profit on Palantir, not bad, man. Great hunt, Dexter. Great hunt. I was watching the Dexter show. lately. Original Sin, my favorite show, man. You remind me of Dexter. Anyway, Nvidia. Yeah, we got a red day for today, guys, except for Best Buy. Yeah, Best Buy is holding and we're not dipping again because we already dipped almost 18% after the earnings. Some of you ask about Mira. Uh, for Mira, I will wait for another dip toward the 600. Would be great. Yeah, 600 should be really good. GV, guys, GV looking pretty good. Yeah, still strong, guys. The Canadian stock, this one is crazy. Did in total, yesterday we did 180% and now 70%. So in total, almost 250% in just one day. This is really crazy. And today we might have another jump toward the $8. But if we didn't, it's mean time for a pullback because it is overextended here. Aha, AGMH, guys, we got a breakout. This is the top gainer for today, 120%. Yeah, so AGMH is number one right now. Now we got a target for AGMH, guys, to go toward the 25 cents. 25 cents is the new target. Exactly, Jam. The market is kind of hit and run. Is like hit and run. It's kind of gangster. You have to enter, exit very quickly. Good example, man. MSTR breaking up for a day. Not today. Today is pulling back, I think. Yeah, it's pulling back, man. We had the chance to squeeze yesterday. So the strongest stock for today is AGMH. Yeah, AGMH looking pretty good. Yesterday, yes. Yesterday, they announced 5.4 million offering for AGMH. That's why we have a nice jump for it. And I think this jump happened today. Yeah, today pre-market. Yes. I think the news hit the market yesterday after the close. I think my vitamin D recharge is full right now. I can feel it in my head. Okay, let's see. AGMH, guys. If we broke the 25, yeah, this will be the play for today. But with this kind of market, man, with this kind of weak market, it's kind of hard to have a jump for stocks. You look for PSTV pullback. It's still holding, but we don't have a strength to break the wall. GV the same, lost momentum, and AGMH right now is pulling back. So you see what's going on right now. We have a bit of weaker market, a bit of weaker market. But this is not it, of course, because could change in few hours from now. You know what I smell right now? I smell French cuisine. I think there is someone cooking. I'm still fasting, guys, so my nose is like a dog. I can sniff food from miles away. And the problem is I live in France, so the food is really good here. TNXB. TNXB, I think I put it on the other list. Yeah, did really great. It jumped again, guys. TNXP did really good for today. Yesterday, I think we got a request. Eat rice, ask about Baba. I will check it for you, brother. Yeah, let me just check TNXP where we discussed it. Yeah, we discussed it yesterday. I think Knight Rider asked me about TNXB. We suggest the breakout around the 1066 and profit taken around 1370. Look at that. Look at that, man. We hit the 1370 right now. And of course, there's another target around the 1515. So TNXB is moving right now. Okay, Todd. SQQQ for sure. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you for the support for 12 months. Thank you for being member for 1 year, brother. And I think over 1 year. Thank you, man. Really appreciate it. I will check SQQ for you. But wait a second. Let me just check Baba first because Eat Rice just asked me about Baba. I'm gonna put TNXB down because it looks really good right now. I'm gonna check Baba and SQQQ for Baba. Okay, for Baba, we got a resistant, another fake out, I think, around the 145. So for Baba, guys, there's a big seller for Baba just around the 150. So between the 148 and 150, there's a big seller. And yeah, we do really great, 1% up. So this is a good indication that Baba, there's someone buying. The last dip we have, it was around the 127. Yeah, it's not bad, man. And let me just check. Um, yeah, we got a new support over 134.76. So yeah, we got a resistance is almost been tested around the 150, 148. So the resistance is a bit shady for me. It's not clear for Baba. So that's why it's a bit risky. The dip, we got the 127 confirmed bottom and 134.79 is the support. For SQQ, let me just check this one. Go on the big picture always. For SQQ, we got the 35 brother as a resistant right now. 35, I think 35.50, yes. And other target to watch out for after we break the 35.50, it is the 37 or almost the 38 and the 39.30. Current support, let me just double check here. Yeah, current support. Yeah, 29.33 should be a bottom, and the first support should be over the 32.20. Exactly. So you have the 35.50 as a resistance, target between the 38.39 as a profit, and 32.20 is the support, the first one, and the bottom is the 29.33. Now let us go back to our main list. AGMH, guys, is number one right now. Is still squeezing up toward the 25. Watch out. This one is going to go toward the 25. So the only one that look good right now, guys, is AGMH. And as we discussed, this one is getting near a resistance around 25. So make sure to take profit there. Okay, guys, AGMH might take profit right now below the 25. We are near the 24. We have a nice dip entry around the 20. So I'm exiting right now before the 25, just in case, because we expect a pullback. 16% profit on this one is not bad. So AGMH, guys, make sure to take profit here because we might have a pullback. SMCI, I think, is reversing. What a nice reversal. Jesus. SMCI, nice bounce, yes. What a nice reversal, guys. Look at that. 4% reversal. Palantir, not sweet reversal. MSTR, perfect reversal as well. Almost 4% here. But SMCI, yes, a really good reversal. But guys, the reversal will confirm after we break the 38.43, not now. Still not confirmed. AGMH, holy moly. Guys, this one is jumping, but it's getting riskier right now around the 28. I expect a pullback anytime. So we have the 20 as a support. Now, AGMH is number one right now. DH, great question. When the fasting and when the sun set? When the sun set here in France, the sun set around 7 p.m. So right now is around 4, so it left with 3 hours left. But I don't mind the fasting, guys. It's really good. I don't feel like hungry or thirsty. In the opposite, I feel more focused because there's no distraction with like when you eat, like your glucose level will go up and down if you eat like fast sugar or something, and this is will affect your thinking, affect your like energy levels. So in fasting, a lot of people think that your energy will be low. Is the opposite, unless you're not in the desert, of course. And the funny part is when you're fasting, you have the clear mind of which things that kind of distract you, because there's no distraction. There's a lot of people use things to distract themselves from pain and discomfort by smoking, drinking, eating sugar or whatever, and watch porn and like all those distraction. And fasting, you can't do that because it's prohibited. So you see yourself when you're not comfortable and you feel discomfort, there's no escape. It's like you are in a room. This is your mind is in a prison inside the room. But if you are an enlightened person, even someone put you in a room in a prison, you're not actually in a prison. You can free your mind to be whatever you are. You can imagine that you are in another planet if you like. But yeah, fasting is really good. No distraction. You see, guys, 28, it was perfect pullback here. So we expect AGMH to pull back now. GV is still one of the best trade that we did this week, guys. The smoothest trade that we did for this week is GV. Guys, if you want to join us on our Discord and Patreon and have access to those trades, of course, the link in comment section below. I'm gonna put it again just in case if you didn't see it. I'm gonna put it on the live chat section here. This link will direct you toward our Patreon. And once you click it, you can choose whatever level. We have only 3 levels. And after that, you have access to our Discord. If you can't link your Patreon to Discord, send me a message. I'm gonna send you invite link to our Discord. And of course, you're gonna have access to all our perks and special videos, pre-market videos and live streaming, everything. For now, holy moly. Don't dump. Holy moly. Look at this pie. Yes, we have a bit of red and green everywhere. It's amazing how much we base our day around food. Yeah, exactly, eat rice. Exactly. We base our life on food, on distraction, about drugs and smokes. Those all things like make you lose tracks of the day and escape reality, because a lot of people can't live in reality because it's really hard for them to escape it, and the only way to escape it is, I think, the only distraction which is a bit not distractive is food. So for me, I always eat a lot of food, but I'm wise to choose the healthiest one. I always eat, but I try to be more on the spectrum of healthy food, but it's still distraction, still kind of escape. And eat rice, I think because you already have a restaurant. And food is life. I'm not saying try to be like Buddha or try to fast every day and don't eat for a week. No. And the opposite, I like food, but sometimes it's better to lose something until you know how valuable it is. AGMH, Sporting Back, GV, PSTV. So yeah, those the stocks that looking majestic today. Let's see the swing trade. SMCI still nice. Tesla, SMCI. Be careful, guys. We have V-shaped recovery here, but I don't trust this reversal yet because we're still below the 38.43. Abu Bakr, so you're fasting as well, man. Nice. I have a friend of mine who do fasting for 3 days, but he drink water, only water, but fast for 3 days. I never did this before, but I think if I did it, I'm scared that I'm gonna lose a lot of weight doing that. But it's really healthy, man. And some studies did the research about this. Some people have a dormant cancer, and the only way or the safer way to kill this dormant cancer cells is by fasting for a week or 3 days. And this is, I think, the healthiest way to do, like as a preventive measure. You never know. So I think fasting is have a lot of health uh, bonuses if you think about it. Okay, let's go here. AGMH is still jumping, guys. GV is pulling back, and I think we hold it down right now. Let's see if this one is got halted. Yeah, GV is halted, guys, and ACON is halted. Let us bring ACON to the list. It's GV is halted down. Holy moly. ACON, guys, is halted down 81%. Guys, this one, it is down a big time. alert. ACON was one of the top gainer before, almost 200%, and now it's flushing down. And I don't suggest to buy this dip, guys. J John, if you hear me, this is a really bad idea to buy ACON here. My sugar is Jesus. Good answer, man. Good answer. Healthy sugar, healthy dose. You need a daily dose of healthy sugar to survive. TNXB was still jumping here. Oh, brother. So, guys, TNXB is doing pretty good right now. It's doing pretty good at the moment. Broke the 1370 and it's still jumping. We're gonna do another update for TNXB and PSTV and the other stocks later on, guys. GV, of course, we're gonna do another update for the dip because if we broke the 550, it means we're gonna have a huge dip for GV, like we did yesterday. AGMH, we're gonna do update as well on this Discord, guys, here on the unicorn hunt. So if you just join us yesterday, guys, on our Patreon community or Discord, remember we always do update for mini stocks on unicorn hunt for day trade stocks. Okay, so those stocks like unicorn, as you can see here, the 4 top stocks, we're gonna update you for the levels for the entry and exit later on after we finish our live streaming right now. So stay tuned for a major update for those stocks, guys. You are welcome, John. Yeah, the market, it is reacting really good. We have a huge pump down and now reversal, especially for SMCI, reversal from our current support, the 3578. So we might witness a reversal right now, guys, for many stocks. Yeah, it's still like what I see for those stocks. Anyway, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming right now because my vitamin D is charged up right now. My vitamin D levels charged up, so I have to wrap up our live streaming and of course continue the update later on our Discord, guys. And remember, tomorrow we're gonna go live as usual around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure to join us early to hunt the market together. In meantime, stay blessed, and of course, never run after the price. Let the price come to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a member and supporter to our channel. Whatever the thing you do, guys, by hitting the like, by subscribing, by sharing our live streaming. Thank you for everybody who support our channel. And of course, shout out to Dada, my member since 1 year from now. And of course, John, one of our members since 3 years, supporting our channel for that long. Thank you, brothers and sisters. And of course, see you by tomorrow.